Hi, welcome to Minicab Drivers Lifeline. TfL has changed their fill in the blanks and the exam structure for private hire SERU many different times. It became difficult to keep track with them. These days, for last few months, as it's been reported by our students and our customers, that the fill in the blanks are not directly from the handbook. So it was meant to be a test of English language. I'm not sure how does it work, but what it is, it's easier for you to pass the test now. That is the good news. So we're going to show you very quickly how to find this answer from the handbook directly. So we'll have the handbook open here for you. So you can see, we can show you. So obviously you'll not have a digital version, you'll have a printed version. And this fill in the blanks now refer to section numbers. So you can still find it. You need to still find it, put some energy and find it. And multiple choice, we're not going to show you today, but multiple choice refer to the page number and the section subheading. So this is how you can find it easily. So let us go through now. So first question is, if a police officer or TfL section number 1, we need to go to. So we go to section number 1, which is this, and we click. The comment was, if a police officer or TfL. So we need to look for if a police officer TfL. I know what is it because we know this book in and out. So there you go. It should be here about the badge. Remember. I missed it here. Here somewhere. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong place. Officer asked to see your license, you must let them see there and then or within. Okay, you must when you are aware of it clearly. This applies to all passenger permission. This is called an exemption. If we'll send you an exemption notice, you must carry. A passenger asks for license number, you should let them see your badge so that they can write the number by braille. Why is it gone then? Oh, sorry, it should be licensing check. It should be up there. Here you go. If a police officer or TfL authorized officer asks to see your license, so if a police officer or TfL authorized officer asks to see your license, you must let them see it there and then or within a maximum of minimum of. What does it say in the handbook? It says in the handbook within a maximum of. So we select within a maximum of. Okay, we select within a maximum of 7 days. Within a maximum of 7 days. There you go. So you can check your answer as well. It is correct, and TfL is TfL. So we have added the grammar rules as well, almost to all of them. So it's easier for you to find. So let's find the next one. This is section number 6. You as a driver are. So let me find it quicker way, for easier for me. So if you are a driver, this is section 6, just to show you. Section 3. Sections on behavior. On this, if as the driver are, sorry. So where was it? So you as the driver are responsible for parking your vehicle. It says you as the driver responsible for parking your vehicle and your does noise it and you're parking your vehicle, parking your vehicle, one vehicle because it's yours, and the noise it makes, third person singular number is all correct here as well. Section 6. Now this is from section number 3. So do not behave in an antisocial manner. So you need to go to your section. You don't have the digital version like us, so you will have to manually know the handbook very well. So do not behave in an antisocial manner. Do not leave litter in the streets. So do not leave. So this could be again, people can be deceived because you need to look at the spelling as well. Do not go to toilet. I know the answer. Do not go to the toilet in a public place. Do not go to the toilet. Do not go to the toilet, not for the toilet, on a public place. And do not leave your engine running. But let's see it on the thing. Do not leave your engine running. Here is the word running. Okay, so that's done. And again the explanation there. You as the driver are, okay, this must be added mistakenly. Let's skip it. Remember the PHB, section number 1. Remember the PHB. So remember the PHB is for your, okay, so this is a slight change, but we'll find it. It says remember the badge. So we said PHB badge, we improved it a little bit, so it makes sense. There you go. Remember the badge. Remember the badge is for you to use only. Remember the PHB driver badge. PHB driver badge, driver's badge. PHB driver badge is for your use only. You must not allow any other person. You must not allow any other person. You must not allow any other person. Any other person to use it for to carry out bookings. Here you go, to carry out bookings. Okay, not bookings, bookings. Check answer correct. And again the explanation there for you. If your operator, this is from section number 3, so let's manually find it as well very quickly. Section number, this is section 1 and section number, because you will have to manually find it in your exam. Section number 2, and then we'll go to section number 3. Okay, what does it say? If your operator operate from a late night venue, so it's easy to find it. So late night venues is there already for us. So there you go. If your operator has a license to operate from, if your operator has a license to operate from late night venue, pubs and etc., the operator can only take bookings. The operator can only take bookings inside the venue at the booking location specified. At the location specified on the license. I almost have memorized this one. Specified on the license. Okay. On the specified on, not in, specified on. Okay. There you go. And the grammar rules are there for you. Next one is can change quickly and dangers such as pedestrians. It's about driving behavior, section number 7. We know it. So let's take shortcut and find it quickly. Here you go. Driving conditions can change quickly. So if when you have this, the first word is missing, then we can always take the next word and search for it with our eyes, obviously. As pedestrian suddenly stepping in front. As pedestrian suddenly stepping in front of you, or bikes coming out of the side street, coming out. Here you go. Bikes coming out of the side street. So that's the correct answer. Next is think about the maneuvers you make and make sure. So this is section number 7. Again, we can use the same technique to find it quickly. There you go. Think about the maneuver you make and make sure they are safe. Make sure they are safe, not there is. It's plural, it cannot be are. They are safe. Next blank is this includes things like looking carefully when pulling out of junction, when pulling out of junctions. And the last one is passing cyclist or motorcyclist. We know it, motorcyclist. There you go, motorcyclists. Okay, check answer correct. Next, tire wear bar are indicated. This is section 7 again. There you go. It are positioned around the tire. If the thread patterns has worn down, to the level of the indicators, to the level of the indication, not indicators. That's the correct answer. Next one, the faster you drive, the less chance you have. So let's find it. It's here on this one. The faster you drive, the less time you have to do something. the less time, not more time. If you put more, also it's grammatically correct, but it's asking me for the right options. You have to do something to avoid a collision. The resulting injuries, we know the answer. The resulting injuries become also more serious. Become more serious. Here you go. Become more serious. That's the correct answer. More serious. Correct answer. Let's move on. So if it is, this will be amazing if they give you exactly like this. Actually, you can just copy and paste, but finding it can be difficult. Okay, you won't have the digital version, so make sure it's section number 1. So make sure if you are, this is 1 second, make sure section 1. So this is not the correct one. This is 1. Make sure you have a continuing right to UK. Make sure you have a continuing right to work in particular if you are in the UK on a student visa. This is the word, student visa. And last one is visa will only be allowed to work for full limited number of hours. Now again, first one is missing, without their permission. Section number 5, sexual assault. So, and all the sexual assault part that we need to be careful of is on section 5. So touching someone without their permission. So touching someone without their permission could be a sexual assault and will be investigated, not after ed, investigated. I'll show you. Will be investigated. Here we go. Will be investigated by the police. Oh, sorry, I'm really sorry. It's touching, not touch someone, touching someone. Really sorry. So this can happen. It's a good one. This can happen as well. Okay. Approach people on the pavement. This is to do with the fares. Number 3, all the bookings related stuff, or section number 3. You must not approach people. You may not. You must not. This is forbidden, so you should not. Against the law. A late night venue to offer them private hire services. To offer them private hire services. If you do this, you may be committing an offense. If you do this, you may be committing an offense. You may be committing an offense, not commitment, committing an offense. Again, explanation is there for you. So, this is, we have not incorporated in our mock test yet. Slowly and gradually doing it because TfL can change things. So, we will, we have added this to our mock test on top of our mock test as you come. Only fill in the blanks that right directly from the handbook and you can practice it. So serumocktest.co.uk is the website to visit for training. 075518088946, and don't forget to like and share this video. So hi, welcome to Minicab Drivers Lifeline. We have been told